this one. Shoot, that's why she ain't even tight. It'll need to be squished on there. Oh. I can always charge this with the alternator in that YESPER though. Why are these terminals like this? Stop. Positive? Sure is. Is this really dead? Can you see that? Stop. Golly. I'm getting frustrated in this rain. Weatherman lied to me. I would have postponed this one too. Not joking. Get off! It's dead. Why is it dead? Why is that dead? Why is it raining so hard? Holy moly. Alright. This is crazy. I was not expecting this today. Hopefully it stops when I take my parts up to Dave's. We're gonna have to cover them up. I'm gonna try and charge this with the alternator first and then test for parasitic draw. So I'm gonna give it 5-10 minutes running. Get off. This is ridiculous. These terminals are ridiculous. It's not the alternator. So I was wondering if it was running on that jump box earlier. So I'll test the voltage output. It should be 14 volts. If so, then see if this battery takes a charge. It's gotta be that battery. Or a parasitic draw. But it didn't work the first time they put it on. All right, it's kind of putting out 15 volts though. Can you see that? That seems really high to me. Something's going on. That's I'm gonna turn this off. I don't want this battery to explode in my face. I literally just turned that off though, and it's already completely dead. So I can't say whether or not that alternator's killing this battery. I don't think till I get a battery that's not completely dead, loading up the system or doing something weird on the system here. It's definitely gonna have a warranty, so for right now, probably just go get him a new battery. If that works though, that's gonna be the end of the video.